Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to interact with your subscribers by adding your social media links to your YouTube channel, then this video is for you, because in this video I will show you how you can add your social media links like Instagram or your Facebook page to your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, let me show you my YouTube channel. Here if I search for my YouTube channel and if I go to my about section, then here you can see in the links portion I have just added my YouTube channel link. Okay, so if I want to add more links like my Instagram page or my Facebook page or my Instagram personal profile, then what I have to do is I will open Google Chrome and I will go to YouTube. So at the top you can see I have already logged into my YouTube channel. If you are not logged in, then first of all you have to log into your YouTube channel. Okay, so after that you have to go to desktop side. Now click on this icon and go to your channel. After that, here just click customize channel and you will be directed to your studio page. So in this page you can just customize your channel. You have to go to this basic info and here you can add your social media links. Okay, so let me just zoom in. Here you can see I have got the option of add link, so I will just click here, and in link title you can add any title you want. Okay, I will just add my Instagram. So here you have to paste the URL of your Instagram profile. Okay, so I will just go to Chrome and here I will just copy the Instagram link, and at the end you have to add your username. Okay, so I will just paste it here, and at the end I will just write my Instagram username. Okay, so if you want to add more link, like if you want to add your Facebook profile, then you have to click on this add link and here you have to paste your Facebook page URL. Okay, so I will just skip it for now. I will only add my Instagram here. After doing so, you have to click on this publish at the top. So at the bottom you can see the changes are published, and let me show you my account again. I will go to YouTube and here you can see I have successfully added my Instagram link here. Let me just show you by clicking on here. So here you can see that I have redirected to my Instagram account. Okay, so this is how you can add social media links to your YouTube channel. Hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.